This year we are making Daiyu the dragon. For the first part of this creator challenge, we're going to go ahead and plan out your dragon. There's a free download on my blog that's called the Color and Design Planning Sheet, which I'll link in the description box below. You can use it to color in your dragon and decide which color combinations you want. It'll help you plan and design your dragon, and you can feel free to draw any additional details that you want to add. Now let's go ahead and go over the materials for the project. To crochet this little dragon, you're going to need a few things. You'll need some medium weight yarn. I'm using 3 different colors. You are welcome to use more than that if you want, or fewer, but essentially I use 2 different colors for the main part of the dragon and the secondary color, like this belly here and the wings and the feet. And I use a 3rd color for the horns and the tail tip. But once again, you're welcome to be creative with your color choices. And with the yarn, you are also going to use a suitable size hook. I'm using a 2.75 millimeter hook for the medium weight yarn. My dragon uses 6 millimeter plastic safety eyes. If you use bulkier weight yarn, thicker yarn, or thinner yarn, you might use different sized eyes. You'll also need a yarn needle for sewing the pieces together. You'll need some stuffing for your dragon, and this part is optional but good to have. I use sewing pins to keep my dragon's pieces in place to kind of gauge how they would look before I sew them down. So I recommend some sewing pins if you have them.